Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So, welcome to Vet It's You YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the career options in veterinary for undergraduate and above qualification candidates. Before starting, I would like to tell you that what you know about the veterinary and its career option is just a drop of water in an ocean. But my dear friends, the veterinary is a very broad spectrum course and will provide you an enormous amount of jobs just after the completion of the undergraduate. Along with this, the various career options in veterinary will not confine you for 9 to 5 corporate office job, but it will allow you to explore yourself. Along with this, it will also provide you an enormous pleasure just by treating the animals who can't even speak. And more than this, the pay scale offered in the various career options available in veterinary is just awesome. And I know that the money is the biggest motivator of anyone, but believe me, my friends, veterinary is just not a profession, it's a passion. So starting with the first career option available for the undergraduate candidates and above qualification candidates is the veterinary officer, veterinary mobile officer, or you can say block veterinary officer. The recruitment is done by the Public State Commission for assigning veterinarians, professional graduates to the respective blocks of their state to impart and execute veterinary services to very grassroots level. This is a class 2nd gazetted officer post and the salary offered is around 45,000 to 55,000 per month. Moving on, the veterinarian graduates are often recruited by different medical institutes as a veterinary officer. Several medical institutes, including premium institutes like All India Institute of Medical Science AIIMS, recruit veterinary graduates for undergoing research and experiment on different lab animals regarding parameters like safety of vaccines, pharmacological and toxicological tests, etc. In AIIMS, as per the recent recruitment of 2019 for a Group A post, the salary offered is quite good and it is about 65,000 to 70,000. In PGIMER and other medical institutes, for the Group B post, the salary offered is around 40,000 to 50,000 per month. Veterinary officers are often recruited by different government institutes where animals are necessarily maintained. For example, administrating training institutes like LBSNAA, it is a Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. Police training institutes like SVPNA, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, and many more. Moving on, the veterinarian graduates and above qualification candidates are often recruited as block animal husbandry officer or livestock officer. The recruitment is done by the State Public Service Commission for assigning veterinarian professional graduates in respective blocks of their state to impart training and extension services and to execute several government schemes to very grassroots level. The salary offered is around 45,000 to 55,000 per month. Till now, you might have an idea that the career options available in the veterinary is just enormous with a very wide spectrum. So let's move forward. The another career option available for the veterinary graduates and above qualification candidates is the Food Safety Officer FSO, or you can say Food Analyst under the FSSAI, the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. The recruitment at this post is done by the FSSAI, FSSAI, which is a statutory body under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. for laying down science-based standards for the articles of food and to regulate their manufacturing, storage, distribution, and sale and import to ensure availability of wholesome food for the human consumption. Veterinary graduates are eligible for FSO and FA post for execution of food safety regulation under the FSSAI guidelines to each and every states and districts of India. It is a class 2 gazetted officer post and the salary offered is also good, that is about 45,000 to 55,000 per month. Before moving forward, just listen that we have started with the veterinary mobile officer who will impart the veterinary services at very grassroots level, at block level, isn't it? But now we have moved to the district and even states also. This is the broad spectrum that I was talking about. Moving on, the next career option available under the veterinary is at NDDB, National Dairy Development Board, dairy cooperatives and state milk federations. State milk federations and cooperatives like the Amul, Paras, Sudha, Nandini recruit veterinarian graduates as a veterinary officer or project managers for imparting veterinary services and extension training to the livestock owners. The salary offered is quite good, which is about 45,000 to 55,000 per month. Moving on, the next career option available under the veterinary is as IBPS AFO, Agriculture Field Officer. This exam is conducted by the IBPS for recruitment in government banks and public sector units PSU. Veterinary graduates are eligible for this post and are assigned as Agriculture Field Officer AFO to various public sector banks, a very good job with very high prospect, and an individual can easily rise to the level of zonal manager and even higher. The salary offered is also quite good, which is about 45,000 to 50,000 per month. Dear friends, the list is enormous. The next career option is available at NABARD as an assistant manager. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development recruits veterinary graduates and postgraduates for the post of assistant manager in several rural banks under NABARD. The salary offered is about 50,000 to 60,000 per month. Serving Indian Army is just a dream job for every Indian, and my dear fellow veterinarians, you can pursue your dream also. Indian Army often recruits the veterinarians as a Renowned Veterinary Corps RVC. The Indian Army recruits the veterinarian graduates for the Short Service Commission in RVC without any pre-written exams. The candidates are shortlisted for the SSB interview directly, and then medicals, and then final merit list of the shortlisted candidates is displayed. Selected candidates are then commissioned in the rank of the captain and are imparted training at RVC Center and College Meerut. A candidate can also get promoted to that of colonel, that is time bound service. The salary offered is quite good. The 15,600 of basic pay, grade pay of 6,100, military service pay of 6,000, non-practicing allowance of 25% of basic pay, DA plus kit maintenance allowance along with the other army benefits. Believe me friends, it is the coolest job ever offered by the Indian Army to the veterinary graduates. This is the RVC Center and College located at Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Moving on, the another job offered by the Indian Army is at Border Security Force as veterinary assistant surgeon. Border Security Force under the Ministry of Home Affairs recruit veterinary graduates for veterinary assistant surgeon through written test and interview and training imparted at BSF Academy, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. The selected candidates are then commissioned in the rank of assistant commandant and impart veterinary services in their cadre. The salary offered is just similar to the Remount Veterinary Corps (RVC). Another career option available as a veterinary assistant surgeon at Sashastra Seema Bal (SSB), and the pay scale offered is just similar to the BSF, or you can say RVC. Another career option available for the veterinarians is at government zoos, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, etc. Veterinarian graduates are recruited by the several authorities in these sectors. They are expected to undergo healthcare services, immunization, nutrition, quarantine measures to wild animals, and also execute central or state level programs encouraging the preservation and breeding of endangered species. The salary offered is around 50,000 to 60,000 per month. Wait. The list goes on. We have 2 more videos in continuation with the career perspectives available for the veterinarians, so do watch them also. I hope you like the video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Vet It's You. Thanks for the watching, an initiative by Ankit Kaushik.